Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off notification on Moodle. To turn off your notification on Moodle, first of all open up a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in moodle.org and search. You will now end up in the official website for Moodle. Make sure that you are logged into your Moodle account, and once you're in, click on the little bell icon at the top right corner. Now, click the settings or the gear button right next to notification. Now, click on the disable notification button. Simply click on the checkbox and you will be able to disable all the notifications that you may receive on Moodle. These includes your assignment notifications, big blue button notifications, feedbacks, forums, lessons, systems, and much more. So that is how you will be able to disable notifications or turn off notification preference on Moodle. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.